How do you delete paid apps on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If you're new here, become part of the community so you don't miss upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so if you mean the apps which you pay for on a monthly or weekly basis, well, those are part of the subscription. So if you go to the settings and tap on your profile at the top, you can find subscriptions, and all of the apps which you are subscribing to or paying to on a regular basis are going to be listed in here. So you can cancel the subscription or at least know which apps you are paying for so you can then delete them from the phone. And if you have an active subscription and if you delete an app, it's going to ask you if you want to cancel that subscription or keep it. So that's something you can do. But when it comes to specifically those apps which were a one-time purchase, well, those don't really have any difference to them once they are part of the iPhone. So, if you browse all of your apps, you don't see which were downloaded for free and which were paid. But in order to find out which applications were actually paid and which you paid for upfront, you can check out the App Store where you tap on your profile and at the top by clicking the icon right there, and you can find your purchase history. And in there, you're going to have to probably authenticate yourself either by Face ID or the Apple ID password. But once you get inside, you will have the ability to browse the results. So you can filter it by the paid apps or choose a date range, right? And in there, you will be able to find which applications you paid for, and you'll see how much and when exactly, and you can then decide to delete those apps if you still keep them. So that is the way to find out about which apps were downloaded for free and which were paid. I really hope that I could explain it all in this video. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's going to be about it, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.